What's going on, Luke? You killed this song, brother. Monday morning, man, she woke up fighting mad, bitching and moaning on and on about the time I had. And by Tuesday, you could say, man, she was good as gone. And when Thursday rolled around, I was all alone. Then I went for a drive to clear my mind, ended up at a Shell on I-65. Then I won $100 on a scratch-off ticket, bought 2 12-packs and a tank of gas with it. She swore they were a waste of time, oh, but she was wrong. And I was caller number 5 on a radio station, 1 4-day, 3-night beach vacation. Deep sea senorita fishing out in Panama. And I ain't gotta see my ex-future mother-in-law anymore. Oh Lord, when it rains, it pours.